Yo, what up guys? All right, we so as you know, we blew the diff. Well, I blew the diff in the Falcon a few weeks back on my way to Palmy. It's been parked up ever since, so we haven't had any decent weather because I got to do it out front in front of the garage. Yeah, so we haven't had any decent weather, and I can't do a diff swap, take axles out, because obviously garage is too small and I'd have to leave that outside. So we're going to leave her outside, rip the diff out. But I see fucking trans fucking oil everywhere. Bit of leaky. Old cars, eh? So much fun. Got a nice old idle to it. Oh, see how this goes. See how long it is before I have to ring one of the boys to come help me because I fucked up. So we got jacked up. She's in park. Well, it's in park, so nothing should be happening. Alright, so I'm gonna pull this head off. Ready? Yep. Okay. I actually have no idea what I'm doing, but trying too hard, surely. I don't even know what to do. Alright, so I've very painfully got both the axles out. At least the spines and everything look alright. Alright, I'll attempt to get the diff head out there, I guess. Well, I think we're going to pull this LSD apart. I don't know what the fuck I'm looking at. I guess I was supposed to undo those ones because we want to get in and have a look at these. What's inside this LSD, I guess. Right. I might have to get someone that knows what these do. Wow. There lies the problem. Spider gears, spider gears. Alright, so these are all smashed to pieces. Awesome. And we are heading back to the speedway. There's the Wellington Saloon Champs on and a bit of teams racing as well, stock car teams racing, so check that out. Still trying to fill in time, fill in events between, you know, burnout events and whatnot, and loving the speedway at the moment. So yeah, probably do another couple, then hopefully, you know, we're heading down south to Muscar Madness in about 3 weeks time, so then we'll have some more good footage from some cool events.
The next event that I will be doing that you might be seeing on his channel is the pageant I'm going to at Muscar Madness.